Are looking to unbox Series 2 of the DC Comics Lil Bombshells figures. So I ordered 12 of them from eBay, and doing some research, I found out that these are the possible figures we can get. Personally, from the 10, I would like to be able to pull Satana, as she is my favorite bombshell. And we do have some other Funko figures. We have here Batgirl, Wonder Woman, Zatanna, Harley Quinn, and Supergirl. So we hope to compare them as we pull their counterparts from our box right now. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Okay, so let's start unboxing our first tin can. Okay, let's have a quick look. So we have here Lil DC Bombshell figures 14 and up. I'm definitely more than 14, so I qualify. So we have here 10 items or 10 figures we can pull, as I said. And there seems to be two, I would imagine, chase figures. Okay, it looks like Batgirl and Supergirl. So let's see. So this one I got from eBay, as I said, and it's not at a very discounted price. So I'm not so sure whether it has already been pre-selected or not. But I'm happy because I don't have any DC Lil Bombshells from Cryptozoic. Okay, because it's such hard to find here in the Philippines. So let's see. The first one we got is already my favorite. So we have here Zatanna. Okay, so let's pull her out. What I like about this series from Cryptozoic compared to the ones from Funko is that it has a stand, meaning the figures have a base wherein they can easily stand. Okay, and because they have a foil can, so if you want to store them or any other thing, then you can do that. So it's this is a good practice, I think, rather than the typical cardboard boxes. So we have here Zatanna, the Mistress of Magic. Okay, so comparing her to the Funko figure, so they are a bit taller. Okay, so you decide who is cuter, but for me, they are equally my favorite. So that is Zatanna. Well, tin cans, I guess. So we found out that this is made in China, but it's so hard to find in the Philippines, even though we are nearer from China. Well, I guess that is a discussion for some other time. Let's see. Oh, I think this will be Killer Frost. Yes, it's Killer Frost. So I don't have this yet. As I said, it's hard to get by Cryptozoic figures in the Philippines. I don't have any figure from Series 1. So this is my first Killer Frost figure. Okay. Seems to be very dynamic. And any new to the collection is definitely thumbs up. Can. Okay, this can is a bit dented. You can see here. I hope that is not a bad sign. Okay. We want to avoid duplicates. I know there are possible duplicates. We need to collect all 12, so we want to have as many of the 12 as possible. I don't think, since I only have 12, I don't think we'll be able to get all 12, but we want to get most of them. Let's see. The next one would be... Oops! This is Huntress with the guitar. So, still no duplicates. That's a good sign. Let's take her out. First time to have a Huntress DC Bombshell. Okay. She looks amazing. Okay, the glasses is not removable. Okay. New to the collection, Huntress. Can number 4. Let's see what we got. Can we still continue the streak of having no duplicate? We have... Ooh! We have Cheetah. So still no duplicates. That's always a good thing. Let's take her out. New figure. Cheetah. Okay, of course with the tail. In this case, it seems like a belt. Okay. So, and the eyes look like a cheetah as well. So, yeah. Cheetah, arch nemesis of Wonder Woman. So this is number 5. Let's see what we got. We are able to cross out 4. Is it 4? 4 out of the 4 out of 10. So this will be our 5th one. And this is, oh, this is Wonder Woman. So 5 out of 10 so far. I wonder if we're gonna get a chase now. So this is Wonder Woman with the lasso and the shield and the bandana. Shield looks like the logo of Shield from Marvel. So anyway, this is Wonder Woman. Number 6. Let's see what we got. So now we are looking for Supergirl or Lois Lane or Batgirl. No repeats, please. This is Harley Quinn. Let's take her out. Of course, the Bombshells is always first and foremost. I guess Harley Quinn is somewhat the star of the Bombshells. Okay, but it's just fine. So Harley Quinn. Okay, with her gun. And that's basically it. Okay, so by the way, I also have a Harley Quinn Funko Mini. So I like the Funko Mini a little more than the Cryptozoic, but what do you guys think? Harley Quinn Series 2. Let's see. Oh, hopsay, yeah, this is our first repeat. So, oh no, it's not a repeat. It's the Chase. I thought it was the Huntress. So, but it's the Chase Batgirl. Wow. It's like a noir version. Let's pull her out. So the Batgirl should look like this. Okay, and the color scheme here is different. It's a variant So it seems to be the chase or higher rarity, I guess. Okay. So I have a Batgirl here, but the normal variant. Okay, so but I like the chase more. I think the color scheme is awesome for this one. So Batgirl, dark. Number 8. Let's see. Crossing our fingers for no repeats. We want to see Supergirl. And we have, oh, Bumblebee. Still no repeats, so that's good. I wonder if there's no really repeat for this set. But my sense is that there should be a repeat because of the chases. Okay, so first time to have Bumblebee in any DC Bombshell form. There's a lot. There are statues, Funko Pops, okay, Aunt Lucia figures and whatnot. Okay, so but first time I have a Bumblebee. So the cheerleader Bumblebee. Okay. Keeping her color combination of black and yellow. This is number 9. Okay, we're still waiting for Supergirl to make the appearance and Lois Lane. Let's see. Oh, our first duplicate. Yeah, so it does come with a duplicate, but we got a good, I feel we got a good duplicate. We have another Harley Quinn. Okay. As I said, she's one of the more famous Bombshells. So we'll probably trade her or sell her. Although there might not be a lot of collectors of Bombshells in the Philippines. So we hope to trade her, but most likely we'll try to sell her. So we'll keep her in the box. The 10th one, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, I hope no more duplicates, please. I want to see Supergirl, Batgirl, Lois Lane. This is another duplicate. But the duplicate is also a good duplicate. It's the Chase Batgirl. So again, for trade or for sell, probably would trade her for the regular variant Batgirl. If not, then we can just sell her off at discounted price. So we'll keep her in the box, in the tin. The 11th one, let's jump into it. Okay, so I'm really liking this series. So we have like 2, 4, 6, 8 out of the possible 12. So that's a good number. But we want to aim for 10 at most. Or at least 9. One more, perhaps unique. So let's hope this is unique. This is... Ooh, another Satana. Okay, so I can have as many Satanas as I want, as she is my favorite. So she is for keeps, but if somebody want to trade for a piece that I don't have, then I can probably give her up, but for now it's for keeps. I'll keep her on the tin can. So it might seem that the ratio is, if you buy 12, you get 8. So we have the last one, at least 8 unique. So we hope to have 9 unique items. Okay, I was hoping for Supergirl. Okay, so that we have the Wonder Woman, Supergirl, and Batgirl triad. So let's hope for the best to this last tin can. This is... What's this? Ooh, yes, we got her. We got Supergirl. So it seems like we have 9 out of the 12 possible figures. Is that right? 9 out of the 12. Yeah. So this is Supergirl. Always good to get one. There seemed to be a scratch though in this part. Okay. It's a bit disappointing, but it's fine. I'm not too OC about these things. So we also have a version of her in Funko Mini. So they're both super awesome. Okay. So this is Supergirl. Okay, so we're gonna line up all the unique figures we got, and just have a quick final shot of this Series 2 Lil DC Bombshells. What an awesome set. Are the figures that we pulled from our Series 2. So you can see from the front row we have Huntress, Killer Frost, Bumblebee, Batgirl, and Cheetah. Then we have Wonder Woman, Harley, Supergirl, and Zatanna at the back. We are missing one. We are missing Lois Lane and the regular variant of Batgirl. But nonetheless, we are definitely happy with the pulls. So well, let's put here as a replacement for Lois Lane the tin can. So I think this is a good pull list. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye until next time.